Factorising is the opposite of expanding brackets. So when we factorise, we're going to divide. We're looking for the highest common factor of 8 and 10. What's the biggest number that goes into 8 and 10? So 2 is the biggest number that goes 8 into 10. So I'm going to take 2 out as a bracket. And I'm going to be looking at, thinking, how many 2's go into 8? So how many 2's go into 8 is 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's 4 of them. And there's also an x before the add sign, so you have to write 4x, because 2 times 4x makes 8x, if you multiply that out. And then it's plus, and then how many 2's in 10? How many 2's in 10? 5, so it becomes 4x plus 5. And if you want to check, you can multiply that out. 2 times 4x is 8x, 2 times 5 is 10. Similarly with the next one, the difference is there's no number that goes into them now, so the only thing I can take out is an x. So I'm taking an x off both of them. So I had 2 x's to start because that means x squared. So because I've got 2 x's to start, I've taken 1 out, so I'm going to have that next one. And now it's take away in the middle. I've taken an x off the 3, so I'm just left with a 3. And if you wanted to check, you can multiply that out. X times x is x squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. Right, the next one. This time there's an x in both of them, so I can take an x out. But there is also a number that goes into 10 and 12. So because 2 goes into 10 and 12, I can also take a 2 out. So when I'm taking the 2x out, let's have a little look about this one now. I'm asking myself, how many 2x's go into 10x squared? So how many 2's in 10? 5. There were 2 x's there, but I've taken one of them off it, so I'm left with 1. Because 2x times 5x makes 10x squared. There's a takeaway in the middle. And then how many 2x's in 12x? 6. And I've taken the x out. So that's how you do factorising.